Oh, hello, hello. Today we're practicing 4 of the most popular English tongue twisters. I'm teacher Shelby. This is Conversa, your place to learn, practice, and actually speak English with confidence. Tongue twisters help you speak more clearly, improve your accent, and train your mouth like exercise to move faster in English. Let's do these 4 tongue twisters together. Okay, tongue twister number 1. This helps you practice the P sound. Make sure your lips pop on each P. P, p, p. Peter, Piper, picked a peck of pickled peppers. Say it with me a little faster. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Now, as fast as you can, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Here we go with tongue twister number 2. This is for 2 sounds, S and SH. They're so easy to get mixed up. Let's try it. She sells seashells by the seashore. Ready? A little faster. She sells seashells by the seashore. Now, as fast as you can. She sells seashells by the seashore. Now, are you ready for tongue twister number 3? This helps you practice the W and CH sounds, W and CH, and your rhythm in English. Let's try it. It's a longer one. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Okay, a little faster. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Are you ready to go as fast as you can? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Talk about the rhythm, right? You get a rhythm going. Here we go with our final tongue twister. Are you ready? This is great for F and Z sounds. Feel the difference in your lips and in your vocal cords, in your voice. F, Z. Ready? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy. Was he? Now a little faster. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy. Was he? Now, as fast as you can. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Wow, great job. Tongue twisters are hard, but they're kind of fun, right? The more you practice, the easier they get. Try saying just one every day to improve your pronunciation and your confidence in English. I promise it gets easier. Now, tell me in the comments which tongue twister was your favorite and which one was the hardest. Ooh, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out new videos on the channel every Friday. Free English lessons with Teacher Shelby Conversa. See you next time. Bye.